Hello, Neil. Um, I'm happy to actually be able to record this video for you to show you how to, to answer your questions. And I think the first one was the two latest blog posts are on the top and the rest in rows and columns. Can I non-technically force a blog to always appear on top? My response is yes. You can force a blog to always appear on top, and I will show you how you can accomplish that. So here we are on the home page of the website, and as you can see with me, there is these two posts, and I think that you may want to show something different from what is showing up right now. What you have to do to be able to do that is to go to the dashboard. So here's the dashboard and go to Content View. In fact, Content View is the plugin that is responsible for the output of the blogs on the page. So that we just saw. So you come here, you click on all views, and you will see the different views that I created for the project. So we have actually two views. The one on top, I call it the welcome view, and the second, which is in the bottom, is called the three columns. So three columns is responsible for the output of what is below, and welcome is the ones that are responsible for the two first blocks. So if you want to show a particular blog post in the two, on the top, you come here, you click edit, and you edit actually the views, and you wait a few seconds, and when it's ready, you will see the parameters, that where you can do what you want, So you have here filter settings, display settings, animation, shuttle filter, advertisement, style setting. The ones that we are interested is this one, filter setting. And as you could see, we decided to output only post, but we can also output page, portfolio item, media, or all of that, all of those content types. So this is where we really want to come. It's stated here, include only. So that's where you should put the ID of the post that you want to output. It's written here, enter post ID. So you ask me, how can you get the ID of your post? So it's easy. You can, for example, come here on all posts, where you have all your posts listed, and choose actually the post that you want to output. So let's say that you want to output this one, stop selling product, this work better. So you click edit, and here you have the ID that you are looking for. When you click edit in the post, in the link, you can see the ID that we are looking for. So you come here and you copy paste that idea and that ID And you can copy paste as many as you want, like, you know, uh, you can choose an auto post. Um, uh, I'll show you just in a minute. Okay, like, I don't know, 10 cool things that happened at Kivio in 2017 and our plan for 2018. So you click edit, same, you have the ID here, which is 302. You copy it. Oh, yeah, I cut it actually, but and you come here and you paste it, you know. And when you're happy with it, if you want to output only 2 posts, you write here 2. If it's 3, you write 3. If you want to output all the posts that is available, you leave this field empty or you put 0. So in our case, we put 2. So before you save, you can, have a preview. And, this is the preview of what will be showing up on the page actually. So that's how you can show specific post on the top of the page. I hope I was clear enough. If not, please let me know and I'll be glad to explain deeper the concept, but I think it's quite straightforward. Thank you very much and thank you for listening. Bye.